season is Zwelethini ignorant, or he just does not have the eye that Thandiswa has? Because Thandiswa is explaining that lalela ngibe nephupho, leli phupho leli lisho ukuthi something emnyama iyeza. Let us go to usibanibani siyobonisa. Athi kena ngeke. Hayi ukuthi every day mase kuqhamuka something sesehamba siyobonisa. Yini lento le? Futhi mina kahle kahle angizibelieveli lezo zinto lezo. Is it because he does not see ukuthi whatever that is happening is not natural? And then he thinks ukuthi uthandiswa nje umuntu othanda imithi nje. Because now all these things are happening to him and around him, but he still sees nothing. And I'm asking myself ukuthi awuvule amehlo ngani? Nakhona if when you don't believe awubelieveli kulezo zinto lezo, why ungakhuleki ke? Why don't you do something? Are you just blindsided, or is everything hunky-dory with you? Uthandiswa is bothered because just the previous night she had a dream, and in the dream uphupha usisi wakhe, her twin sister, amtshela ukuthi lalela isivunguvungu siza, and leso sivunguvungu leso siza sinelifa elimnyama, so now you need to stand up and do something. In that dream it looked like Zwelethini was not on the bed, but then she realized it was a dream. She didn't, because in the dream she woke up and then she was sitting straight and then checked for Zwelethini, and she couldn't find him. And then while she looked the other side, then she found that her twin sister was there. And then that's when they started having a conversation. Said, Bayeza, and Bayeza manje, kumele uvuke wenze something. And then that's when she woke up out of the dream, and then she realized that the waking up was in the dream. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Limatekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni njani hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana nokwahina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma korosla tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that uTim no Tiny they're still not okay, but uTiny is pretending ukuthi yena usharp, but bekakhala busuku bonke to a point where she needed sunglasses to go to work. Why? Because amehlo abuvukile. So now I'm just asking myself ukuthi kahle ukhalelani because uTim usakufuna wena awusafuna uTim because of angazi. So but ke uyakhala ugela ubusuku bonke, into emkhalisayo ayaziwa eyakheke. And then Umamiki says that she's going to have an appointment, so she's deciding to take a 30-day off emsebenzini, and then ayenza just to prepare before umntwana efika. That entered it triggered a thought kuLeroy to say, let's do a baby shower. I-baby shower yakhona ngifuna ibe indumozulu ye-baby shower. Ngifuna wonke umhlaba wazi ukuthi bekhona i-baby shower lana, but nakhona I want it to be dramatic. I want it sparkle. I want big. I want to go. Bese uTiny athi how are you gonna do that, because isikhathi sihambile. Athi ungawari ngami wara ngoTim, and she was like, but that's so low. That is very low of you. You're giving me a very low blow right now. You can't be bringing that situation in this time where ngisakhala wena udlala ngayo. Okay, bahleka ngayo bese kuyadlula ke. Ufanyana resigned. He says yena sister boss ufike late emsebenzini, usister boss ukhamba nya Fanyana, hey wena njani, hey imali le o late namhlanje ngiyithatha emholweni wakho, hey nakhona if waqhubeka ngale attitude yakho the next time ngiyothatha the whole salary. Athi ngothatha half we salary. Tufanyana ke thila sister boss ke into zenzeka naye. Mina ke manje ngithi ngikwenzele izinto zibe lula, wena thatha le salary yonke, futhi nakhona I quit, ngiyaresign. Athi umuntu akeke akwazi uquita, kumele unikeze i-notice. Athi okay lalela ke ngikunikeza ukuthi i-notice nayo ngiyaquita with immediate effect. Wathatha imasangana wakhe waphuma wahamba. Angabi devastated usister boss ke ngikutshela, because she thought ukuthi she had it all figured out, and futhi uyakwazi ukubhosa abantu kanti this time around hayi shemusha phansi. Petunia is going to rehab, and I think it's a good thing, but then I think she did not know ukuthi umuntu angaba addicted to amapilisi, therefore she decided ukuthi aye rehab, which was good for her ukuthi lento le uyithatha serious, and ekuthatheni kwakhe serious akafuna ukubuyela, does not want to go back, ufuna uqala impilo yakhe kabusha kangcono. Now speaking of kabusha kangcono, uNcuka no previously Mr. Mayor Jackson are sitting down and strategizing ukuthi wonke umuntu must suffer, wonke umuntu must back down, wonke umuntu akakhala athi kuzonyiwa macala. So now bathi the ritual that they do, it must take time for it to actually manifest la mandla lawo. Everyone is going down except for Jackson.